Today we are tackling a common frustration for Chrome users, the error code out of memory. If you have been seeing this error, don't worry. We have got several solutions to help you fix it. Let's dive in. So let's start with the simplest solution, restarting your PC. A reboot can clear RAM and resolve temporary glitches causing the error. If this doesn't work, we will move on to more specific solutions. Chrome can be a bit of a memory hog, especially with multiple tabs open. Close any tabs or windows you're not using. This can free up significant RAM and potentially fix the error. Step number 3 is force close RAM hungry applications. Right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Close any applications that are using a lot of memory. So then you can just click on End Task and close that particular application. If this doesn't work, you can just try out clearing your browsing history, cookies and cache. This clears out data that might be causing problems. You can just click on this icon here and then click on history. Click on here and then click on clear browsing data. Select time range as all time and then you can select all and then click on clear data. So if you are logged in, remember this will clear all your data and you will have to log in to your websites. You can just click on clear data and it will delete all the temporary files and cache files. Next step is to disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration in Chrome uses GPU resources. Disabling it can sometimes fix memory issues, especially if you have a lower spec PC. So in the search box you can just type hardware and then you will find use hardware acceleration. You can just toggle it off to disable hardware acceleration and then you can relaunch the Google Chrome. Once this is done, check if the Google Chrome does not have that particular error. If this method is not working, you can try to reset Chrome settings. Click on reset settings, click on restore settings to their originals. You will get this pop-up window and then click on reset settings. Once this is completed, you can check if the Google Chrome does not give that particular error. If Google Chrome is working fine, then it's fine. If it is not working, you have to reinstall Google Chrome. Just uninstall the Google Chrome and then reinstall it again by downloading it from internet. Right click on the start and then click on settings. Click on apps here, apps and features. You will find Google Chrome here in this list, or you can just search for Google, then click on this icon here and then click on uninstall. Once it is uninstalled, you can restart your computer, download the Google Chrome from internet and then install it again. At last, if the issue persists, try using a different browser like Firefox, Edge or Opera. This can be temporary workaround while you solve the issue with Chrome. And that wraps up our guide on fixing the error code out of memory in Google Chrome. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye-bye.